Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I'm using my cell phone today, something I really don't prefer doing. There's no image stabilization or anything on a cell phone, but my last camera was really garbage, so I'm not going to do that again. I got a box I actually received a while ago in the mail. I ordered this, and I wanted to open it on video. And all this time I never opened it because I didn't properly have any way to do a video. So here we are, back again, and I'm finally going to open it up. This is an herb growing kit, non-GMO. So we'll see what's in there. I wanted to get some herbs growing in the house while it's still cold out. And this happened to be a complete kit. And my idea is I want to start growing my own medicinal type herbs. Wow, there's a lot of labels. 4 bunches of labels. And we've got here a mess of trays. Looks like 3, 3, and 3. So there's 3 little miniature greenhouses comes in the kit. And then we've got the coconut planting medium. There's 3 bags of them, 1 for each greenhouse, I guess. What do we got? I don't know why it looks like vegetables. There's a lot in here. There's a lot in here. I am surprised because I know what all is in here? There's a lot of stuff in here. I had ordered a herb growing kit. Herbal tea. And there's a lot of stuff in here. Did they throw in a bunch of extras? Borage. Hot pepper, that I knew was coming, so that's borage. Okay, it's just hard to see what you got because the photos are all the same on the front. It's very confusing. Had me wondering what is going on. Here's what I'm expecting. See, there's hyssop, which I love. I love the smell of hyssop. And then there's some lavender, English lavender. So those are more along what I was expecting to see on labels. So I'm going to have to go through all these. A lot of these don't have, look, there's a loose seed or something. The labels I expected. There's sage. And there's summer savory. Chamomile. I love chamomile. Relaxation. Some of these I'm not sure what they are because of the labels. Purple coneflower. I don't know how to say that. Anise? I'm not sure how that's said. Calendula. I know that's a good medicinal herb there. Rosemary. See, they've got... This was what was confusing me. I thought I was getting vegetables in my herb package. So that's rosemary. White yarrow. Lemon mint. I love all the mint family very much. Hot cayenne pepper. Medicinal, yes. Peppermint. Again, I love all the mint family. Relaxation and good for the stomach. Lemon basil. I love all those. The smell of them is so amazing. Angelica. Purple. Oh boy, another one I don't want to swear and say it wrong. SHISO. Bronze fennel. And borage. So all of these come in this box with, and I wanted the herbs. I want to start my medicinal herb garden, but this was just a bonus so I can plant them all. So we've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 different herbs all in this kit. And all the labels and the little miniature greenhouse little things. See if I can separate that. I won't have any fancy video editing because obviously I'm on my camera, so that's a little bit different and awkward for me. So we'll see how this works out. I am going to get a better camera. I'm waiting. The one I want is out of stock. Well, those are stuck together statically and vacuumed in. I'm going to pause. I'm going to try to pull it out. Where's the pause? There's no pause in this camera. So I finally, that was a challenge to get that apart. So it's looking like that goes in there. You got your water catch tray, and you got your little lid. So it's pretty cool setup. So I'm going to take a moment to read the instructions, which it comes with decent instructions, really. Planting tips, hardening off, transplanting, indoor gardening tips. So I'm going to see what I got to soak them in something or other. So I'm going to read the instructions. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so what you do, I'm going to do one of these on the video, and then the rest I'll just do offline. And so you're supposed to put one of these tiny little pods in each tray. It'll be interesting to see how big they grow. So there's 12. In each one of these little trays. Alright, now you're supposed to put a cup and a half of water in here, so I'm going to go over to the sink and do that, and we'll come back. Actually, look at how fast they're expanding. They're shooting right up, fast. Look at that one go. They're sort of actually cool. I had to do one of these with Michelle watching. That one got jammed sideways. Look at them go. Wow, they take right off. Look at that. That is really neat. Look at this one starting to take off now. They're alive. So that was only 1 cup. I guess I got to put another half cup in there. I don't know how far they're going to expand and how you're supposed to get the top section. I'm going to crumble them in because look, they're still dry inside. That's actually going to fill each tray. That's amazing. Wow. Well, I got to get the other half cup of water in there. That fluffed up nicely. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to go through all these and write a label for each one. I've got hyssop. There's lavender. That's going to be hard to fit on there. Each one of these, there's sage. It's a pretty cool set. I'll put the links down below. I got this off Amazon. Summer Savory. I'll set up a little bit of each one. Every seed, since there's so many. So I'll keep going to finish all these up. So I'm going to put a few seeds in each tray, and there's enough for 2 trays of each seed in this kit. So that works out nicely. Try to get this open. I can't even pick that up off the table. I'm not gonna go through every single one with you, but we'll go through a couple here and see how they look. I might need a knife to open these more neatly. Those are bigger seeds. I've actually never had borage. I'm going to put 3 seeds in each tray. You're supposed to dig a little hole in the middle. Pop in 3 seeds each. 3 or 4. Oops, that one didn't want to go in there. Alright, you'll go where you go. Alright. And put his label in there. Borage, and we'll do another one here. You see, this is even numbers. We'll go across this way. This is going to be time consuming, so I'm going to go ahead and fill all the trays. I've gone and done 2 of everything here. So, but I'm going to go in order of the way I laid them out, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Fold these up, and then to keep them longer and safely, I'm going to put them in a Tupperware container. Folding over, I might get paper clips for these, each one, and put them in a Tupperware container for safekeeping to keep the moisture out. Anyway, I'll go ahead and fill all these trays. That'll be a job. That'll take some time. Well, there they are. Nice and neat. Little miniature greenhouses with my herbs in them. And then for now, I put them all in a bag. I'm going to put them in a Tupperware, a sealable Tupperware, to keep the moisture out of them. Well, guys, there you have it. The herb grow kit. This is what I found on Amazon for under $30. Complete, and you can see the size of the box. The for this many herbs, plus the little grow beds, the little starter trays and all that, I couldn't have got the seeds individually for cheaper. And that's why I went with this kit. So you can go ahead, I'll put the link down below, and you can go ahead and grab one. And stay tuned for my tactical channel. I'll be doing a video on the importance of seeds in the coming year. I think that growing our own seeds and our own vegetables and herbs is going to be more important than ever before. But I will cover that soon in a video, so watch for that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll get a decent camera going here and we'll get back to normal daily videos. But for now, this is what we got. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.